YouTube, what's up, it's your boy Ian. Back with a brand new YouTube video, bro. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a cropped hoodie. I know y'all been seeing these hoodies basically everywhere, cause they've been in fashion as of lately. But today, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make it at home for no more than $2, bro, $1.50. So hopefully, if you're watching this video and you needed it, hopefully this video helps you. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna do too much talking. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're currently at 551 subscribers at the recording of this video. We are on the road to 600. Love y'all boys. Let's get right to the video. Alright, YouTube, so we in Walmart now. I'm in like the arts and crafts section, and we're looking for a seam ripper. That's what I'm gonna be using for today. But yeah, man, that's really all you need. That's really all I'm going to be using. That and some scissors. I mean, like, it's really either or. It just depends on what you want to use. I'm gonna just show you how to use both. But yeah, it's a really simple tutorial. It really shouldn't even take that long as well. So I'll catch y'all boys when we get back to the house. Back in the crib now. I have the hoodie right here that I'm finna be using for the video. Cropping your hoodie, bro, is really easy, to be honest. All you need is one thing, and that's just something to cut this off, basically. Y'all see this right here. So basically, when you crop a hoodie, it's not really cropping it all the way at the top. It's just cutting off like this little piece right here at the end that goes at the bottom of the hoodie. So basically what you're doing is you cutting off this hem right here and then taking off this bottom fabric, and then you just left with the regular hoodie. The hem is this stitching right here that connects these two pieces of fabric. So what we're doing is we just cutting the hem off so we can detach this bottom piece of fabric, and we just left with the hoodie, which gives it the crop effect. So I'm about to do that right now. I have the seam ripper right here, so I'm just about to de-hem all of this. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. So before I keep going, I'm gonna make sure I show y'all this. So like I said, I just started with the seam ripper and I cut the threads that connected this piece to the hoodie, feel me? Obviously, if your hoodie doesn't look like mine, that's where I would say you take a pair of scissors and you just cut along the bottom piece. It would do the same thing, but for a cleaner look, I'm just gonna be using the seam ripper. I'm literally just taking the seam ripper for me, going through with the thread, and then just ripping it off. Like, just taking it with the thread, ripping the thread off, taking it down here, ripping the thread off. You just keep doing that all along here until you get this whole piece off. Now, as y'all can see, I just finished cutting off the front part. It If y'all didn't know what I was talking about before, now you could kind of get a visual representation. So I was just cutting this thread off the front part, cut it all the way down until this piece came off. Same thing with the scissors, like I was saying, you know, if your hoodie doesn't have the threads right here, doesn't have the hem going along, you would just take the scissors and cut all the way down. But you know, I just used the seam ripper, cut the threads all the way down, and then just took this piece off. So now I'm gonna do the same for the bottom part. Just cut the thread, take the seam ripper, just cut all the way down.
He made it.
So we finished cutting off the bottom of the hoodie. So it is cropped, it is fully cropped now. And you could leave it like this, like people wear it like this, but I'm going to show you how to de-stress the bottom. If y'all don't know what de-stressing is, I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen right now. So it's basically just makes it look worn down at the ends. I'm gonna show you how to de-stress with the same tool. You could also de-stress using sandpaper, any sort of rough surface. If you just rub it against here, it'll also de-stress the material. So really what you want to do is you just want to go at the end and then just start picking at it, feel me? So you just go at the end and you just start, you know what I'm saying, just start picking at it. Get it like rough almost, so it's not like straight cut. You just want to get the ends like rough almost, feel me? Just start picking at it, getting the strings at the end of the hoodie loose, feel me? You just do it all the way around. But yeah, you just de-stress it along the end, feel me? Make it look tough. Hey, so y'all see I just got done de-stressing the bottom. You know, I just made the ends look more distressed, look like they got some life to them, feel me? So yeah, and you know, that took no more than 5 minutes to do the whole front and back, and maybe 2 minutes to distress it. So it's a really simple tutorial, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like on body, so roll the B-roll.